Hello drivers and welcome to my channel. My name is Ava, and I am here to guide you through the traffic rules in America. DMV questions of defensive driving. Minimum speed signs are designed to A. Keep traffic flowing smoothly. B. Show current local road conditions. C. Test future traffic signal needs. D. Assure pedestrian safety. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. A. Keep traffic flowing smoothly. To keep traffic flowing smoothly, some highways also have minimum speed limits. Driving slower than the minimum speed can interrupt the traffic flow and create a dangerous situation. The most important thing to remember about speed management and curves is to A. Drive at the posted speed limit as you enter the curve, then slow down at the sharpest part of the curve. B. Slow down before you enter the curve. C. Accelerate gently before you enter the curve. D. Drive at the posted speed limit of the roadway before, throughout, and after the curve. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. B. Slow down before you enter the curve. Drivers who eat and drink while driving. A. Have no driving errors. B. Have trouble driving slow. C. Are better drivers because they are not hungry. D. Have trouble controlling their vehicles. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. D. Have trouble controlling their vehicles. Your lane position should A. Increase wind blast from other vehicles. B. Protect your lane from other drivers. C. Decrease your ability to see and be seen. D. All the above. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. B. Protect your lane from other drivers. Your lane position should increase your ability to see and be seen, avoid others' blind spots, protect your lane from other drivers, communicate your intentions, help you avoid wind blasts from other vehicles, provide an escape route. The law gives the right of way at intersections. A. No one. B. Drivers turning left. C. Drivers going straight. D. Drivers turning right. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. A. No one. To make a right turn at the corner, you A. May not enter the bicycle lane. B. Should only merge into the bicycle lane if you stop before turning. C. Must merge into the bicycle lane before turning. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. C. Must merge into the bicycle lane before turning. When exiting a highway, you should slow down. A. On the main road, just before the exit lane. B. Once you see the toll booth. C. Once you have moved into the exit lane. D. When you first see the exit sign. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. C. Once you have moved into the exit lane. Who must yield when a driver is turning and a pedestrian is crossing without a traffic light? A. Whoever started last. B. The driver. C. Whoever is slower. D. The pedestrian. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. B. The driver. When traveling behind a motorcycle. A. Allow a following distance of at least 2 car lengths. B. Allow at least 2 seconds of following distance. C. Allow at least 4 seconds of following distance. D. Allow a following distance of at least 4 motorcycle lengths. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. C. Allow at least 4 seconds of following distance. You can park and leave your car. A. In a tunnel. B. 30 feet from a railroad crossing. C. Between a safety zone and the curb. D. None of the above. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. D. None of the above. Never park or leave your vehicle in a tunnel or on a bridge, on or within 50 feet of a railroad crossing or between a safety zone and the curb. The only time you do not have to stop for a school bus whose red lights are flashing and stop arm is extended is when you A. Are driving on the opposite side of a divided highway. B. Are behind the bus. C. See no children present. D. Can safely pass on the left. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. A. Are driving on the opposite side of a divided highway. Seatbelts can be most effective as injury preventive devices when they are worn by A. The person driving the car. B. Passengers when they are on a long drive. C. All occupants of a car being driven on an expressway. D. Passengers and the driver whenever they are in the car. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. D. Passengers and the driver whenever they are in the car. Whenever you drive, you should make sure everyone in your vehicle wears a seatbelt. In the event of a crash, a person without a belt becomes a projectile and a danger to everyone else in the vehicle. On two-lane, two-way streets or highways, you should start left turns. A. Close to the center line. B. Close to the outside line. C. In the center of the lane. D. Anywhere in the lane. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. A. Close to the center line. When you drive through an area where children are playing, you should expect them. A. To know when it is safe to cross. B. To stop at the curb before crossing the street. C. To run out in front of you without looking. D. Not to cross unless they are with an adult. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. C. To run out in front of you without looking. You are waiting to turn left at a multi-lane intersection and opposing traffic is blocking your view. You should A. Accelerate rapidly when the first lane you need to cross is clear. B. Wait until you can see all the lanes you need to cross before going ahead with your turn. C. Wait for the opposing driver to wave you across the intersection. D. Edge your car into each lane of opposing traffic as soon as it clears. Spend a few moments to think and identify the right answer. It is time to see what you have done. Let us check your result. B. Wait until you can see all the lanes you need to cross before going ahead with your turn.